Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
National General Secretary Jongan National People's Party ubasnya bhalang dhar haga pratrik lalingkan arajar pausan ulakam bag National People's Party kan sayo banyalam Biang yak Executive Committee haki atli ki Autonomous District Council harilum khasi ber harilum jaintia haga jing kerem kilat pathai kubor ubasnya bhalang dhar ulo angru baga jingmi jongo Voice of the People Party kambo jing AA ruem yak National People's Party haki election MDC ke bansa longshan Shushu ulapan pauru bekam dan setia kanu gajingnya shrut hapua ke parti ke penlong UMDC ke mulai ke G20 bati borlang patau ban mi no na ke parti ba ban shimrai dak be kun kum kertong shiman.
No, don't ask me. They're up to them. So we are fighting. We will give a good fight this election. We as party we are ready to go for election, and hopefully we will get a majority also at the same time.
Don't you think there is anti-incumbency against the NPP?
Anti-incumbency, I don't think so will be there. Maybe even though it is there, so we have to work hard. Simple as that.
So will the party find another candidate for Molai?
We will see. We will discuss all this.
So like it appears that many of the sitting MDCs of NPP, they are not willing to contest from the party and they are planning to contest as independent candidate also. Any thought?
Let's see. Till the time is still there. There's some more time. So we'll see. As we know that we are, sometimes it feels difficult. So many of them want to contest from NPP. That is election. Somebody come and goes is there. Somebody want to go, somebody want to come. That is a usual process in the election.
Do you look at BJP as a threat for your sitting MDCs? That is why they're choosing it?
No, that is not. Because every constituency is different from one constituency to different constituency. Not the same formula, not the same system, not the same reason. The expectation is that we will form DC on our own.
In both.
In both.